Nizm Africa thokozani sanibonani dumelang Upshane and hello. This Mkhuloti from 131 Marshall Street, Johannesburg CBD. Ilang tholakala khona ilangenza imisebenzi yami yemihlola yokunikeza abantu into zokuphila, into zemali, into zenhlanhla. So I want you to hear me very carefully. Umkhuloti usiza abantu ngendlela yobundabuko. Mina I am not an what you call an Western doctor. No, I am not. But uma bengibuzwa grade 1 ukuthi ungathanda ukuba yini, I always said I want to be a doctor. I want to become a doctor. Kanti because of umoya uyazi ukuthi ubukhuluma ukuthi ngizoba udokotela womoya, udokotela wedlozi. This is what I am. Ngudokotela wesintu. I am a traditional practitioner, a traditional doctor. Mamela ngwaneso. Ngineimfihlo zokwenza umuntu ukuthi impilo yomuntu ibe ngcono. Lezi imfihlo lezi nginazo, some of them ngizithole through imibono. Some of them ngizithole through amathongo. Some of them ngizithole through ukuhamba, mangilongihamba ngiye emazweni, ngilongihamba ngiye emazweni, mangilongihamba ngiye emazweni. As you can look, as you see namhlanje, you can just see ukuthi Mkhuloti ugcoke ikurta, megcoke ikurta Mkhuloti, it's more like a Muslim today. It's because of nakhona I took a journey yokuthi ngihambe ngiye at the Muslim shrine. Lapho ngifike khona futhi ngaqwaliswa ngamandla. Then I met a man there called Sheikh Yusuf. Lo muntu lendoda yangifundisa izinto, anginikeza izinto ukuthi things are like this and like this and like this and like this. And kulokho I went there because of I was being led by the Spirit of God. I didn't just go there because of bengithanda ukuya lapho. So by so saying, mina being a prophet, I'm an African indigenous prophet. I'm a traditional practitioner. Ngizakuwe ngemisebenzi yamandla ngoba le misebenzi le ngiyayiphiwa eminye futhi ngiyayifundela. Yingakho I come with different products, different methods of healing people. Angifani nezinye inyanga ngoba ngiyazihambela izinto lezi. Mamela ngwaneso. Namhlanje I want to talk to you about the issue of utswayi lenhlanhla. How to make utswayi lenhlanhla. Utswayi lenhlanhla, it is when Umkhuloti athatha utswayi lasolwandle olishisayo. I repeat, ngithatha utswayi lasolwandle olishisayo. Lolu tswayi lolu, ngiyalithathela ukuthatha lolu tswayi lolu, kube utswayi osiliphekayo. Maqeda ukupheka lolu tswayi lolu, lolu tswayi ngilimixa nemithi. Imithi, ngikhuluma number 1 ngomuthi, umuthi umphumeleli. Ngikhulume ngosondeza. Ngikhulume ngenhlanhla iyavuma. Ngikhulume ngenhlanhla emhlophe. Ngikhuluma ngovula kuvaliwe. Uvula kuvaliwe waphezulu. Emva lokho ngifake futhi neminye imithi, ngifaka amafutha omhlaba. Neminye imithi yahlukahlukene. Emva lokho lento le creates one herb of which in utswayi lenhlanhla. Lolu tswayi lenhlanhla mntakababa, lolu tswayi luvula inhlanhla zakho. Lukusiza ukuphuma emimoyeni emibi. Livula impilo yakho nokukhanyisa impilo yakho. Liyakusiza ukumanifesta amaphupho amahle nokukhipha ama-spiritual forces amabi afakwe kuwena. Lolu tswayi lolu, uma ugeza ngalo, lolu tswayi luvula into zakho, lukhanyisa izinto zakho. This is a herb of which one uses ukuthi impilo yakhe ibe ngcono. And my advice to you ukuthi uma usebenzisa lolu tswayi, make sure ukuthi usebenzisa lolu tswayi loli nendoda yakho yalisebenzisa. You don't just use this herb wena uyi-one. Sometimes usebenzisa into ipartner yakho ayiyuzi. Uma lento isebenziswa wena wedwa, at the end you get ukuthi the very same backlog iyabuya futhi. Why le backlog le ibuya? It is mainly because of the person of which you are mainly sharing your sexual desire or your ziki high with. Akagezanga ngalento le. The person of which ulala naye, whenever you go to a pilgrimage or whenever you undergo a spiritual cleansing or anything of which has to do with spiritualism, that same person must also be there with you. Let's say, for example, yena umuntu ongazwani nemithi. Umene ngazwani nemithi. It's okay. Let's iswasho. lena manje isiwasho kuhlanganiswe imithi notswayi. Just once akageze naye ngalo tswayi loli, kuze lento uma iphuma kuwe kungathi uma usulala naye bese kube kuyikuthi lento futhi siyabuya futhi ngena kuwena. Awumuntu umaka ngikuhlurikire ngwena, awungizwa. Uma usebenzisa utswayi, lisebenzise nomyeni wakho noma nonkosikazi wakho noma ulisebenzise nepartner yakho. Ungaliyuzi uyi-one because of you'll get ukuthi uma ulala naye le bhadi oyikhiphile iyabuya because of lo muntu loya sekanobuntu bakho. This is Mkhuloti from 131 Marshall Street, Johannesburg, CBD. This is utswayi lenhlanhla, utswayi lokuvula izinto. Call me today and book. Ungathi ungabook. Call me today and place your order. Nguthumele utswayi lakho lenhlanhla. Lubiza imali engange 500 rands. I repeat, 500 rands. Uthola utswayi lakho, utswayi lokuvula izinto. Lifake imithi enzima kabi kuze inhlanhla yakho ikwazi ukuthi ibuye. Uphila kanje inhlanhla yakho ikhiphe abantu, uyagembula awuwini. Ingoba abantu bathebule inhlanhla yakho. Order namhlanje, siyabonga.